careful he bites, apparently, so... It might be worth anaesthetising him, actually, because he is quite bitey, isn't he?
Okay.
So I'm covered in cooking oil, it hasn't done any good at all. Please don't
Right,
cook me.
he might well struggle a little bit because they don't like the anaesthetic.
Come on, Foxy.
What's he doing? Sticking his head through it?
There's probably some food or some, you know, something the other side or whatever.
It's the most bizarre thing I've ever seen. You can't believe that it's even put its head through the hole, let alone, I've just never seen anything like it.
With the cub now unconscious, we can initiate a plan of action. We have a tried and tested method that we developed when rescuing deer stuck in railings, and we're hoping that a scaled down version will free the fox.
What we're trying to do is basically sort of encase his head in plastic to make a smooth route back. The problem is it's easy to push something through one way, and obviously his head and his skull's got through because it's a streamlined way of doing it.
Let's just try the thinner one, but...
The trick is to find the right thickness of plastic that's strong enough. Then, more importantly, push the whole tube through with the animal's head inside.
The problem is you're going to have too much plastic. Do you know what I mean? You're going to take up space with plastic.
You just need to go forward, really, don't they? Need to go backwards. Yeah. It's going to go earlier and it's swollen too much. Just twisting through, very slight angle back and forth, Goff.
Yeah.
I mean, hold it.
Go through, Simon. There's no way that's going through. Feel the size of that, his cheekbones.
I don't need to do what we do and cut around there, which we can do. We can cut all around there if we have to, but it's going to be. It needs to be anaesthetised the whole time. Yeah. Just try one. Can you hold the tyre really steady, Goff?
Yeah.
Got the tyre?
Yeah.
All right, darling.
I don't think it's going to go through, mate.
She's gone about half an inch since you said that. Sorry. It's going, but...
I don't see how the hell that can go through. I'm not... I mean,
We've only got about another quarter. I don't know.
Okay, well you just have to try it then.
Yeah, let's go for it, mate. Let's go for it. Go on, it's moving. Go on. Bit more, mate. Speed.
Go on,
Speed.
go on,
Go
go.
You can't go quickly, don't.
Come on. Go on. Come on, let's come in. Come in. Keep going, son.
The cardboard's
Yes.
just that's the trouble.
Stop for a minute.
Okay.
Right. Now give it.
Can you pull that cardboard
No, I
off?
can't,
Don't pull
I
the
can't
fox.
pull. Go on, keep going. Keep going, near there. I've done it.
Thank God for that. Right, let me get him on oxygen.
I didn't like that, Dad, at all.
No.
Still breathing right, look.
Can you draw up half a load of decks? I'm going to go and shut now. So swollen.
Yeah, look, he's going to the cheeks.
Yeah.
I should feel better in a minute now. Just half an hour, yeah?
Just giving him some steroids because any restriction around the head area has made his face swell up, and the cheeks are very, very, very swollen, and obviously that's potentially put quite a lot of pressure on his eyes as well, so he's going to be very sore. You can see now all of the swelling around the side of his face and above beneath his eyes. It's very, very comfy. Just going to cover his poor little head up. So. It's very willy.
You have to blame me for that, I suppose.
What was it?
Cooking oil.
Now the muzzle is on, we can safely clean up the remnants of Goff's initial rescue attempt.
Well. But use the same deer if you use Hollywood deer, because you can do it and they just come straight
Yeah,
down.
those panels are always down.
Yeah.
Yeah, well,
Deer. I know.
the call was fox stuck in a fence.
Was it really?
Yeah, that's why we went out.
Well, you could
Cutters and everything.
sort of fence, isn't it? Sort
But,
of.
but look at the size of that hole. How on earth?
Let's take him over and see if he's actually moving all right.
We've done everything we can for the young cub. All he needs now is a quiet place to rest and recover. We'll check on the cub later in the day, and providing the swelling has gone down, we'll take him back to where he was found.